Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to add anonymous questions on Instagram story. It's a pretty simple process, so make sure you follow me till the end to get a good idea on how you can do this. Now, in order to complete this, you will have to download an application. It is free and it has good ratings, so you will be fine in that regard. It's called NGL. You can search for this on the App Store or the Play Store. It works on both platforms. Once you've downloaded the application, open it up and you will see that there is a standard process. Just click on Get Started, select your age. Once this is done, you can select the social media platform. It's Instagram in this case. Click on Continue. Now it's important that you put in your username, and after that you will see that it has given us a link. Just copy this link. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and share it on your story. How do you do that? Once you're here on Instagram stories, you can click on this button on the top which says stickers. Once you click on that, you can select the link sticker over here, and just click on that and paste the link that we just copied. Once you have pasted the link, you can resize this so people can watch it and click on the link. So just post the story and all your questions will be here on the NGL application. Once this is done, people can easily send you anonymous questions through your Instagram story. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.